Discover the hidden beauty of berries and the surprising variety you've probably never noticed before. Let's take a closer look. Strawberry. Strawberries are aggregate fruits whose seeds grow on the outside, making them unique among common berries and rich in antioxidants. Blueberry. Blueberries are nutrient-dense berries known for their high anthocyanin content, which supports brain and heart health. Raspberry. Raspberries are hollow-core aggregate berries that provide dietary fiber and play an important role in temperate ecosystems. Blackberry. Blackberries are dark-colored aggregate fruits packed with vitamins and are important food sources for wildlife. Cranberry. Cranberries are tart berries adapted to wetland environments and contain natural compounds that support urinary health. Goji berry. Goji berries are bright red fruits traditionally used in Asia and are valued for their high vitamin and antioxidant levels. Sea buckthorn berry. Sea buckthorn berries are bright orange fruits rich in omega fatty acids and thrive in harsh coastal environments. Acai berry. Acai berries grow on palm trees in the Amazon and are known for their deep purple color and high antioxidant capacity. Elderberry. Elderberries are small dark berries commonly used in syrups and have compounds linked to immune system support. Mulberry. Mulberries grow on deciduous trees and provide essential nutrients while serving as food for birds and insects. Bilberry. Bilberries are European berries closely related to blueberries and are known for their deep pigmentation and eye health benefits. Boysenberry. Boysenberries are hybrid berries combining raspberry and blackberry traits, known for their large size and rich flavor. Lingonberry. Lingonberries are hardy red berries native to cold climates and contain natural preservatives that slow spoilage. Cloudberry. Cloudberries are golden orange berries found in Arctic regions and are rich in vitamin C and essential fatty acids. Huckleberry. Huckleberries resemble blueberries but grow wild in forests and play a vital role in forest ecosystems. Aronia berry. Aronia berries are extremely high in antioxidants and are among the most nutrient-dense berries studied. Salmonberry. Salmonberries are soft berries native to the Pacific Northwest and change color as they ripen. Wineberry. Wineberries are invasive berries in some regions and are recognized by their glossy red appearance. Barberry. Barberries are elongated red berries containing natural acids and are commonly used in Middle Eastern cuisine. Juniper berry. Juniper berries are actually modified cones and are essential for the reproduction of juniper plants. Loganberry. Loganberries are early hybrids with a tart taste and are used in jams and desserts. Rowanberry. Rowan berries grow in clusters and contain compounds that deter predators when unripe. Bearberry. Bearberries are evergreen ground cover plants producing red berries adapted to cold and dry climates. Serviceberry. Serviceberries are early ripening fruits that support pollinators and migrating birds. Currant. Blackcurrants are small berries high in vitamin C and commonly used in preserves and beverages. Red currant. Red currants grow in translucent clusters and contribute to biodiversity in temperate gardens. White currant. White currants are a cultivated variety of red currants with lower acidity and pale coloration. Marionberry. Marionberries are a type of blackberry developed in Oregon and prized for their complex flavor. Tayberry. Tayberries are hybrid berries combining raspberry and blackberry genetics, producing large elongated fruits. Buffaloberry. Buffalo berries are nitrogen-fixing plants that help improve soil quality in arid regions. Snowberry. Snowberries produce white berries that persist through winter and support cold-season wildlife. Crowberry. Crowberries are evergreen berries adapted to Arctic and alpine environments. Nannyberry. Nannyberries are viburnum fruits that mature slowly and are important for late-season wildlife nutrition. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel InfoMillion.